In this video, we'll go over REN. What is currently happening with the crypto? Will it be one of the small percentage of coins that won't go to zero for the next bull run? With such changes in the cryptocurrency markets such as the crash of Luna or the frozen funds of Celsius, cryptocurrency has definitely changed over the past few years, with the rise of meme coins and NFTs. In this video, we'll see if the coin has the potential to go to the moon for this upcoming bull run. Before we begin, we are having a 900 XLM coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, run to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. There are many ways to make money in crypto. For example, if you only took a $1,000 leveraged short position on Luna at its price of $110 and rode its downfall to zero, you could have potentially walked off with over $1 million. But with such a risk on your investment, not many recommend leverage trading, especially in crypto. NFTs have also taken the market by storm, from people buying a monkey JPEG for $300 and selling it at over $400,000 6 months later. But because there are so many opportunities, and now that we are in a bear market, no one really knows what to dabble into. So this is why we're taking a look at REN, to see if it has the potential to run 1000x on your money for the next bull run. So, what exactly is REN? REN is an open protocol built to provide interoperability and liquidity between different blockchain platforms. Formerly known as Republic Protocol, REN launched RenVM, its virtual machine mainnet, in May 2020, having completed a $34 million initial coin offering in 2018. The protocol's native token, REN, functions as a bond for those running nodes which power RenVM, known as dark nodes. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. REN is a complex platform with multiple use cases, but it is ultimately designed to overcome barriers to entry and investment for DeFi projects. As a plugin, it allows DeFi projects to bring foreign cryptocurrency assets such as Bitcoin and Scash to their offerings. More broadly, users can in essence swap any token between any two blockchains without middle steps such as using so-called wrapped versions of tokens, for example wrapped Bitcoin and wrapped Ethereum. RenVM is a network of virtual computers making up a virtual machine. The machines powering the network which makes up RenVM are called dark nodes. REN charges various fees for internal operations, but most do not go towards direct profitability, instead being paid to miners. As an ERC20 token, REN also attracts varying gas fees to power transactions. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 98 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps the community.